Good morning, welcome to the Rhondda Heritage Park. My name is Peter. I am one of the tour guides. We'll go into the engine house now. This is the Trevor Winding House, and this started winding coal in 1890. And this is the actual cage that the men would run the ground in. And there would be 30 men in that cage at one time when the men would run the ground. And they would travel at 30 feet per second. This is the entrance to the cage. The shaft was 434 meters deep, 1,430 feet. This is pit bottom. When the men would arrive on pit bottom, there would be a deputy checking that they have both bulbs are working on their cap lamps, and they would leave pit bottom and they would be working on the ground for 7.25 hours when I started work in 1969. Well, I hope you enjoyed our short little visit underground at the Rhondda Heritage Park.
Craft of Hearts is bringing craft to the heart of the community. All the money goes back into the pot to keep it going. It's something that we did with wellbeing for community of all kinds.
At the moment, the Heritage Park is closed due to the pandemic, but hopefully before very long we will be able to open.